guys, today we're going to be making kofta and spinach curry. So first of all, I'm going to show you how to make the kofta. I've got a food processor here and I'm going to put into it one slice of bread. I'm going to blitz that first. So we have nice fine breadcrumbs here, and then I'm going to add the mince. The ginger and garlic paste. Chilli flakes. Salt. Cumin powder. Garam Masala and black pepper. So I'm going to blitz this until it's thoroughly mixed. Okay, that's thoroughly mixed. Now we're going to make the koftas. Right, so I have my mixture here. I'm just going to dampen my hands slightly, and then I'm going to take a walnut size of mince, and then I'm going to roll it into a nice round ball. Make sure you press tight and make sure there's no cracks in it when you've made the ball up. You can make them as large as you want, small as you want, it's entirely up to you. Make sure you dampen your hand as well in between, because then it gives it a nice smooth finish. Right, all the koftas are made. Okay, now in a pan I'm going to add some oil. Be generous with the oil. Spinach takes a lot of oil. Okay, and into this I'm going to be putting in the cumin seeds, the ginger and garlic paste, the green chilies, and the onions. Stir fry these until the onions go golden brown. You can see I've left them, roughly chopped them because I'm going to blitz this again. You can chop them up very fine and then you wouldn't need to do that, but I'm quite lazy, so I tend to do it this way. I'm going to be adding the tomatoes. My turmeric powder, chili powder, cumin powder, and salt. Mix well. So mix well and dry out some of this liquid before we blitz it, okay? Right, I've blitzed this and made it into a smooth sauce. I'm going to take the koftas and put them in one at a time. Right, the koftas are holding their shape now, they're nice and firm. So I'm going to be drying up some of this liquid before I add the spinach. Right, the liquid's all dried up and the oil has separated. I'm now going to add the spinach. It's chopped spinach which I've put in a colander to take out any excess water. So I'm going to add that. Mix it well. And then I'm going to leave it on very, very low heat for about half an hour for the spinach to cook and take on the spices Cover the pan and just leave it on low for about half an hour to 40 minutes. The thing about spinach and this curry is the longer you cook it, the tastier it is. So even if you left it for an hour on a very low heat, as long as you don't burn it, you know, there's no right or wrong. So, you know, the longer you cook it on a slow heat, the tastier it will be. Before I put the lid on, I'm going to put some fenugreek leaves chopped up. There's about 3 tablespoons here, and half a teaspoon of Garam Masala. Okay, mix that in and then turn the heat low. Fenugreek leaves go very nicely with spinach, so you must try and get them and put them in. Right, this has been cooking for about an hour on a very low flame. As I said, you know, the longer you leave it, the tastier it will be. The oil has separated, the water's all disappeared, and this is now cooked. I'm going to plate up